Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and I'm going to be showing you another card using the, let me just show you, it's a Halloween card using the Trick or Treat stamp set. I'm going to be using this little guy and the Trick or Treat sentiment. So now here are all the supplies, and this is a heather highline, and this is 8.5 by 5.5. We're going to be folding it in half as usual. So let's go ahead and fold it in half. Use your bone folder so you get a crisp fold. Then I have a piece of basic black, and this one is 4, I believe, yeah, 4 by 5 1/4. So this one will go right there, and this one will be glued down here. And this is part of that Toil and Trouble paper, which, if you haven't seen it, this is the one that is Stampin' Up! Released during the holiday catalog. And you can see I've been playing a lot with it. There's a lot of images that you can fussy cut to make some of your projects, and some others. And also, if you have the Cauldron Bubble bundle, you can actually die cut some of these images with the die, so you don't have to be fussy cutting. So this is one of them. This is one of those sets that are really great out of the catalog for the Halloween. So anyway, let me just give you the measurements. This one is 3 by 5, and we're gonna be gluing it like so. So let's just go ahead and glue this paper. Oh. Alrighty, let's just put it like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this the glittered organdy ribbon, and I'm gonna go ahead and, oh goodness gracious, let's just do that. And I'm gonna be doing a little knot. Alrighty. Hold on, I think it was too much. So I'll just do this again. Alright. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this area in here. Alright. So I just did a knot there, and I'm going to glue this one down. Now the next thing is, before I glue it down, is yes, this is great because it's right there. So I'm going to glue that there because I don't want it to be moving around. So I'm going to be using the Take Your Pick, which is a new tool from Stampin' Up! That it has different points. There's one, you can exchange this one for one that scores, and you have this one that has the pokey point, and this one that has a little spatula, and then you just put it like so, and then turn it and click. It has a cap for that, and then on this side, this is the one that has a little like a gooey thing where you can pick little things. So, and I'm sorry if I'm out of focus a lot. I'm just trying out a new camera or a new setup on my video setting, and so video filming setting, and so I'm still trying to get used to it. I was just to my older one, and so it's just a little bit of getting used to it, so just bear with me a little bit. So anyway, so now I'm going to be gluing this one down. So let's go ahead and glue this down. Okay. And then I had already die cut in Gorgeous Grape a square out of the layering squares, and the second of the stitch shapes framelets of the square shape. So I'm going to go ahead and this stamp in Memento ink. This little bird. Just need to make sure. Okay, and we're gonna put it like so. I'm just gonna press firmly, but not gonna rock it. And there we go. And while I have this out, I have a piece of smoky slate, and this one is just 1/2 inch. It doesn't matter how long because we're gonna cut it. And I'm gonna be using that one that centimeter says 3/4 feet. There we go. Oh, and it's kind of crooked, so let me just do this again. Much better. Okay. Now I'm just gonna think about this, but I'm gonna be coloring this using the blend. That's why I picked the stamping the Memento. So I have the highline header in both of the shades, and I'm gonna be coloring all the feathers of the bird. And I'm gonna do a little close-up, so let's just try that. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing this, so let's just do that. Hopefully you can see it better. So, like I said, I'm trying to get used to my new setup. Usually, the old way I couldn't really do close-ups. Now, I guess I can. But I get a little bit more nervous because I don't know if I'm gonna mess it up while doing all that. So, anyway, now I'm having the darker. And I'm just going to go over this. And then with the darker though, I'm going to go back and do the eyes because that's what it will be looking. And then I'm going to be doing with the Mango Melody, and this is the dark one. Dark shade. I'm doing its feet and the beak. Okay, now that I have that, I'm gonna go with the Smoky Slate, and I believe this one is the light. Yeah, it is the light one. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of this. And now, and this is with the light shade, so now I'm going to go back with the lifter, the colored lifter, and I'm just going to do little circles because I want to lighten up a little bit of that. And I'll show you in a second why I'm doing all these, or where did I get that whole idea of doing it that way. There we go. There we go. So the whole thing that I did that was because if you see the card, those little goes have a little bit of the gray, and I want to represent the same with this guy. So that's how I did it. Okay. So now let me just go back to fucking out. Let me just. Oh, sorry. There we go. Again, I'm trying to do this new. And then we're going to be using the one thing I should have done this one while we have the close-up, but I want to do the costume. I'm going to add the Wink of Estella. So this ghost has some shiny or some glittery look, you know, or shimmery look, I should say. So let's just go ahead and I'm going to show you here a little bit of a close-up, I think. I don't know if you can really see the shimmery part, but anyway, it looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and do dimensionals. Oh. Okay. And let me see. Yes. And then I'm going to be adding this one here. And for that, I'm going to be just putting like dimensional here and here. Alrighty. And then this little one, have my scissors here. We're gonna do a little banner hat, and we're gonna put it like so. Yes, I like it that way. I think it looks nicer. Or let me just see. Oh, no, I think I do like it here. It's better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this adhesive, and there we go, and we're done. What do you think, huh? Do you like it? Do you do Halloween cards? I've been doing so many of these. I love doing them. Anyway, so if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, sign up for my newsletter. I give news about my upcoming classes. I do, most of my classes now are online, so you get information about that. I also have an ordering incentive where when you place an order with me to purchase any of these items, you get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards, and it has tutorials and all the accessories and everything. So you need to use the hostess code, and the hostess code is on my website at creatingwithali.com. So make sure you check that out. And also, if your order is $50 or more, you can get the accessory amount, which could be ribbon or rhinestones or something else. Every month is different. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed. Again, make sure you check the description of this video, because that's where I have links to purchase any of the items that you saw here. And also there's information about my email, where if you sign up, you get 5 tutorials for free. And also there's information about my Facebook page, where I do Facebook Lives every Thursday at 7 p.m. So Central Standard Time. So anyway, so make sure you check all that, and I'll see you soon, okay? Thank you so much, and I'm glad you joined me today. Bye.